What's going on, guys? Today I got a new series of videos I'll be dropping on y'all. It's gonna be Tech Tip Tuesdays. It's not gonna be every week, but I'm gonna try to teach you guys something new, something helpful for your bikes and your mechanic skills. Hopefully once a month, we'll see. And today I'm gonna show you guys something I've been doing for a very long time, which is using some magic eraser pads, except here we have a cheaper budget version of those, which I'll show you where you can get them later. And we're gonna be cleaning up the plastics, but specifically removing these black marks that you see here on the shrouds, as well as on the seat here. So I'll show you guys how simple and easy this is and the difference that it can make. Now my plan is to keep these tech videos short, just a few minutes long. It's gonna go quick and I'll show you how easy today's project is. So here's what you're gonna need to get the job done. I've got this pack of 20 pads I got off of Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description. And we're gonna be using this gunk degreaser, which is pretty good stuff, and you can probably use Dawn dish soap and water to do the same job. So watch what this stuff can do. This is all that remains of this incredible little pad. Yes, it did get very chewed up and only good for another half use, but the results speak for themselves. I'm gonna go ahead and put what they looked like here again one more time, just to remind you how bad they looked before. And now we have virtually a showroom bike again. I mean, I was able to get every single little mark out of here. So those pads are the shit. So now I still have 19 more pads ready to be used for the next time. That's a wrap on the first ever Tech Tip Tuesday. Hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned something new. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have any video suggestions you want to learn how to do something specific. Otherwise, I'll just keep throwing stuff I've learned over the last 15 years at you guys. Just do me one quick favor, hit that like button if you haven't already, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on any of these great videos and all the other stuff that we do over here at Full Throttle Films. Take it easy. Peace.